In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Zippay in-store. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use Zippay in-store in the latest version of the Zippay mobile app. All that you have to do is open the app and then tap the Pay option on the menu at the bottom of the screen. When you tap Pay, you should be able to find your in-store card by selecting In-store on the menu at the top. So select Pay and then In-store. When you tap In-store, you can generate a barcode to make payments in any store where Zippay is accepted. By generating the barcode, you will have access to the 6-digit numbers as you can see on screen. Choose the best payment plan for you after the barcode is scanned, and as long as you are able to fund this transfer, you will be able to use Zippay. Make sure that the barcode is displayed and scanned, and on the app you will be able to choose the best payment plan for this specific purchase. If you have enough funds, the purchase should go through and you will be able to choose from the list of payment plans. You will be able to manage any purchase that you make in store through the latest version of the app. Just make sure that it is scanned properly and that you choose a valid payment plan. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish as long as you have funds on your Zippay account. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Zippay in-store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.